Here's a closer look at this sliding mat that was sent for our feedback. If you have a heavier espresso machine, you know how annoying it is to lift and clean underneath. So this fixes that instantly. The top grips your machine so it stays put, while the bottom glides smoothly across your counter. So you can just slide it out when you need to. It's specifically sized for the Breville 870 XL, so it fits right without shifting or hanging over the edges. And it actually protects your countertop, reducing scratches from daily use. Overall, this is a small little upgrade that can make your daily coffee routine a lot easier. Definitely check it out.